Coming back to another episode of further mathematics for SS2, and today we are going to be dealing with probability. Now, what is probability? Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the concept where you are trying to talk about chance. That there's a chance of events happening, so you don't know what the chance is, but you are trying to calculate what the chance is. So basically, in general, probability is given by the probability of an event happening. P of event E equals to what? The number of events E divided by the total number of sample space. So that's what you should understand about probability. So it's basically the number of possible occurrences of the event divided by the total number of events that can occur. For example, if we have 6 numbers from 1 to 6, so that on a die, right? If we toss a die, just a die, if we toss a die, and we're looking for a probability of getting an even number. So how many even numbers do we have in the available numbers of a die? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in these 6 numbers, we have 3 even numbers, 2, 4, and 6, right? So these 3 numbers, so the total number of events of an even number is 3 divided by, then the total number of events that are possible to happen is 6, because there are 6 possible numbers that you can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 divided by 6, and your probability is 1 over 2. So this is a simple concept of probability. Probability is very simple for you to understand. So let's move on to something a little bit advanced from probability. So we have 2 dice. Let's talk about when you toss 2 dice. So we have 2 fair dice are tossed. Find the probability that the total score that shows up is greater than or equal to 9. So in this case, what you need to understand is basically you are looking for a total score, right? So that means at a particular point in time, you have to need to draw a table. So this is a table of the possible values that you can get. So let's start from the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, we have for the first day we have 6 numbers: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For the second day, we also have 6 numbers: 1, 2, 3. Okay, I guess there should be kind of like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 finally. Five and 6. So good. Now, so when we start from here, 6. So when we have okay, yeah, we're supposed to have this number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we decided we are looking for the sum of numbers, right? So that means when we have 1 and 1, so our total sum will be 2. Then when we have 1 and 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, what we are trying to do is basically we are talking about the different combination of numbers. Now in this case, here we have first of all we're looking for the probability of getting a number that is greater than or equal to 9, right? So that means we'll just give it this is total sample space, total number of numbers we can actually get from this. So yeah, we can actually get from let's circle the numbers that are greater than or equal to 9. So we have 9 here, 9, 9. So what number is greater than 9? So we have 10, 10, 10. Then we also have 11, 11, and then we have one space of 12. So at the end of the day, when we count the number of circles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 different cases where we can get a number that is greater than or equal to 9. So the events is 10 all valid. Then the total sample space is 36, because when you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then cross it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have 36 different options. 10 over 36, so you have 5 over 18. At the end of the day, your probability of tossing a number that is greater than or equal to 9 is 5 over 18. So that is basically the concept of probability. In probability, we also have the concept of mutually exclusive events. Now, mutually exclusive events, the kind of events which that they cannot occur simultaneously. So they cannot occur at the same time. That means, for example, it's not possible for you to be a boy and also be a girl. So you either have to be a man or a woman by the normal science terms. So also, it's also not possible for you to be asleep and be awake. So either you are asleep or you are awake. So I don't know of other exceptions, but majorly mutually exclusive events, all you do is that you add their probabilities up. So that is one trick. And then we also have independent events. When I'm talking about independent events, you need to multiply their probabilities because they can occur independently of each other. So these are the basic concepts of probability that you will need to understand. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next episode.